Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is a bit of a sad day. So yeah, we're going to deliver the RM125 to its new owner. We've just got it in the shed at the moment. But yeah, so we're going to be loading up on the ute and then about an hour drive up to Whakatane. And then we're going to be dropping it off to the new owner. But before we get loading it up, there was a few things that I just had to sort of fix on it. Just a few teething problems that I just hadn't got around to fixing. So I'll chuck that clip in now from yesterday. You guys can have a look at that. And then yeah, we'll get this thing loaded up and get on the road. So as I was just saying, had a few things to sort out with the RM125. Just like a few teething problems that I needed to get sorted before I sold the bike. So one of them, probably the major, being the clutch. So when I was pulling the clutch in, it wasn't disengaging the plates properly down at the motor. So this bike had a brand new clutch kit, so new fibres, steels and springs. Then it has this aftermarket clutch perch. So it must have just got warm or it wasn't broken in properly, and like 3 of the plates just suctioned together. Then it just was not allowing it to separate, and it was still driving when I had the clutch pulled in. So I just drained the oil, pulled the plates out, separated them and stuff, and then yeah, put it all back together, chucked some fresh oil in it, so that's all sweet. Turned the axle around because apparently I had that the wrong way. If any of you guys know why, drop it down in the comments. I'm still unsure why the nut has to be on the right hand side at the rear, but yet from factory they come with a nut on the left in the front. So, and then just I riv nutted the subframe just to like restore the threads in the subframe. But yeah, other than that, RM125's ready to go. Alright, got the bike all secured now. So yeah, now we're ready to go. Just gotta have some breakfast, but then we'll head out to Whakatane and get this thing delivered. Righty, so we're all loaded up. Head out. Right, so we're about 20 minutes out of Whakatane at the moment. Got the RM in the back. So yeah, we're actually meeting in Bunnings where I sold my 06 RM250. So yeah, we'll meet the new owner there. But yeah, like I was saying, it's a good and a bad day today, sort of. Like, this was our first proper 125 build. I've had a few of them, or we've had a few in the past, but we haven't really done one to the extent of this one. But yeah, it'll be good to get rid of it and get our money back. If you guys didn't know, me and Dad actually went halves in like all the costs and work and stuff done to it. So we've sort of got 50-50 into it, and then we're just splitting the profit as well. So yeah, it'll finally be good to see it gone, and then we can move on with other things. So we get the CR underway, and I think Dad's looking at tidying his bike up and getting that sold. So yeah, we've got a few things planned, and it'll be good to get into some other stuff. So it's coming up on Bunnings now. So we'll see if the new owner's here, or we might have to wait around for a wee bit. So we've got the bike all loaded up. So we've just made it home now from Whakatane. We dropped off the RM125. Yeah, super nice guy. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to leave his Instagram linked down below in the description, as well as my Instagram. But yeah, he's actually got a pretty cool plan with it. So he has a 08 RM125 at the moment. So then he's just bought the other 08. So he's got two 08 RM125s. So what he's pretty much going to do is take his 08 and then our 08, and he's pretty much going to put the two together and make pretty much the sickest RM125. So he's going to take the frame, engine, wheels and exhaust off the 08 we built, and then put pretty much all his other parts onto that, and then he's going to get a few new parts here and there. I think he's going to make a pretty sick bike. So yeah, like I said, I'll leave his Instagram link down below. Go and flick him a follow and you can sort of follow his build. And then yeah, once he's done, I'll probably load up my RM250. And we'll head down to Gisborne, spend a weekend down there and go and hit up some of his local trails and stuff. And then we'll check out the bike once it's done. So yeah, that is another build ticked off. So yeah, it's gone now. And yeah, he's going to enjoy it, no doubt. So it is officially the last build series video on the RM125. Thank you guys all for supporting the channel and the build and all that. Yeah, the channel's doing pretty well. And yeah, also if you didn't see the video, I made a full time-lapse build video on that. So I'll leave that link down in the description, so go and check that out after this one. But yeah, about to rip into the CR straight away over there. So yeah, that video will be out soon. So yeah, cheers for watching guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.